Our coordinators have been in this teaching field for as long as one can even imagine. So my next question is to Anjali ma'am. Ma'am, what have you learned from being in this field for so many years now?
Oh my God, what an emotional question, Yashvi. Children teaches us more than any book ever can. I have learned personally myself, patience, positivity and presence are the only keys. हर बच्चे में ना एक अनकही कहानी होती है और उसे समझने का और संवारने का अवसर हमें मिलता है.
That's so sweet, and what an answer. Like, from being in this field for so many years, of course it must have taught you so many lessons and
all
whatnot.
these lessons have come only through children.
Yeah. So what we can say is that when a person grows up, जब कोई बड़े हो जाते हैं, our thoughts are not as unfiltered as they are as a kid. So वो
बच्चे बड़े होते हैं और हम तजुर्बेदार होते हैं.
Very well said. Our viewers are going to love this. So Deepika ma'am, I would also like to ask you that, you know, being in this field for so long, there are days, you know, when you must not feel like coming to school, or maybe there are good days of course, but there are bad days also. So what keeps you motivated?
If you'll talk about my motivation, I would say our respected principal sir and the management that has shown their trust in me, and the environment that they have given us in this school. Like our views are valued.
Opinions are valued.
Yes, opinions are valued.
Views, suggestions
Suggestions are
everything is
valued.
being taken
Yes,
into account.
It is not that anything has been imposed on us, and when you get such a great environment around,
As a free environment.
then
And you
obviously
cannot deny, Yashvi, the flower blooms in the free
environment only. Yeah.
Like a flower cannot bloom without sunlight, without water.
So
So
all
let me say,
the
yes.
necessary needs are given to us in this environment.
So that is the greatest motivation, I would say.
To conclude for our viewers, that being in this field for so long, our coordinators have learnt a lot, and what keeps them going is the safe and free environment, and obviously the love they get from children, from everyone around them.